Hello everyone, class 9 champions. Hello to all warriors. I really apologize. I'm so sorry because of some technical glitch. Your half an hour has wasted, I know, but I'm going to cover up everything here quickly. So my dear, join quickly and do let me know everything is fixed. Am I audible to you and am I visible to you all? Please do let me know in chat section. Everything is fixed, guys. And let's begin this final revision session for your half yearly exam. So I have brought up quality questions and that will genuinely help you out for your half yearly exam. So, yes, let me know. Am I audible to you, everyone? Class 9th? Perfect. So, join quickly, guys. Join quickly. Come on. I really sorry for today. I mean, whatever. Yeah, hi. Who is this? Lunaire, how are you, champions? Hi, hello. So, as we have already wasted, unfortunately, basically, half an hour. So, let's begin the session. So, I really sorry, class 9 champions, due to some technical problem. The live was supposed to go at sharp 4 p.m., but due to some problem, yeah. Am I audible to you all? Am I audible to you all? Can you hear me, everyone? Can you hear me, everyone? Class 9 champions? Okay. So let's begin. Question number 1, without wasting a moment, half-yearly exam revision. So this video, this session is going to be game-changing for you all class 9th ninjas. So moving to question number 1. Look at question number 1. The question number 1 is, are the points M, so we have 3 points M, the coordinate of M is -3, -4, point A has coordinate 0, 0, and point G has coordinate 6, 8 on the same straight line. So we have to investigate these 3 points are on same straight line or not. But the twist is, suggest a method to check without plotting the joining the points. So you don't have to plot these points on graph. Without plotting these points on graph, you have to identify these points are on same straight line or not. My dear champion, I can solve this question by 2 methods. Yes, I have 2 methods to solve this question. So let's discuss one by one. So the first method is, just a second. Okay. So first method. So let's talk about first method. My dear class 9th ninjas, just imagine these 3 points are on the same straight line. What should be the condition? The condition only, slope between MA, slope between AG, and the slope of MG should be same. If the slopes are identical, if the slopes are same, then only these points will be on same straight line, right? So let's talk about slope concept. So first method is slope concept. Slope concept. My dear champions, we have very special formula to find out the slope between two coordinates, and the formula is m is equal to, we use a small m to represent the slope. So slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is very important formula in coordinate system. Very important formula to find out the slope between two lines, 2 points. Okay. Now we have 3 points, 1, 2, 3, 3 points. And we have to identify these points are on the same straight line or not. So let's do one thing. Find the slope between MA, AG. So the slope between M, small m is for slope between MA. So capital MA. Small m represents slope and capital MA means we are calculating slope between M and A points. So y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is 0, 0 is y2, 0 minus minus 4 divided by 0 minus 3. If you calculate here, the values will be 4 by 3. So this is the slope between point M and A. Now find out the slope. Find the slope between point A and G. So what will be the slope, guys? y2 8 minus 0 divided by x2 6 minus 0. So we have 8 divided by 6 and 8 divided by 6 will be 4 by 3. Wow, my dear champions, the slope of MA and the slope between AG is same. Now let's find out the slope between MG also. So slope between MG, what will be slope, guys? y2 minus y1. So 8 minus minus 4 divided by 6 minus minus 3. 6 minus minus 3. My dear, 8 minus minus 4 will be what? Minus minus plus 8, 4 will be 12. Minus minus plus 6 plus 3 will be 9. Let's calculate. 4 3 ja 12. Oh my God. All the slopes are same. Now imagine you have 3 points M, you have second point A, and you have third point G. Slope of MA is equal to slope of AG is equal to slope of MG. All the slopes are equal to each other. It indicates that all the 3 points will be on same straight line. So MA, slope between MA, slope between AG is equal to slope between MG. It indicates that point M, point A, and point G are on same straight line. So the points M, A, and G are on what? Same straight line. This is all about. And the second method. Let's talk about second method. The second method here is, champions, distance method. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, if so many points are on same straight line, the points are called collinear points. So here M, A, G, all 3 points are on same straight line. It means that M point, A point, and G points are collinear points. So we are talking about here collinearity. So this is called collinearity. What is collinear? When the points are on same straight line. Okay. Now second method. My dear champion, you have first point M. M has coordinate 3, minus 4. You have second point A. A has coordinate 0, 0. You have third point capital G, 6, 8. My dear, let's find out the distance between MA. MA, formula of distance is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now find out the distance. X2 we have 0. So 0 minus minus 3 will become plus whole square, plus 0 minus 4. It will be 0 plus 4 whole square. So we have 3 square 9, 4 square 16. 16 plus 9 will be 25. So we have 5 units. So the distance of MA is equal to 5 units. Similarly, find out the distance between AG. So when you calculate the distance between AG, you will get answer as root 100, and root 100 will be 10 units. You can use the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus. Now find out the distance between MG. So my dear champion, when you calculate the distance between terminal points M and G, the answer will be under root 225, and 225 is 15 units. Oh my God, look at the result. MA is 5 units, AG is 10 units. But when we add MA plus AG, that is equal to MG. 5 unit, 10 units. So 5 plus 10 is 15, and MG is also 15. So it proves that MA and G all are on straight line, because the sum of distance of MA plus AG is equal to MG also. So this is the second method, my dear champions. So either you use slope formula, slope method, or you use distance method. You can use any method in your exam. So we have two methods. Hi Kalsi. Yeah, hi Kalsi. Clear everyone? Moving to second question. Let's move to the second question. Question number 2. Look at question number 2. Use the connection you found to find the coordinates of point B. So we have to find out the coordinates of point B, given that this point is the midpoint of point A and point B. So we have 2 points, guys. Lakshmi, September 17th term 1 exam. Very good. If your exam is on 17th of September, come on yaar, solve these questions. Because listen everyone, I haven't brought up the question randomly. All the questions are really very important. After doing a lot of analysis and research, I have brought up these questions. So these questions, most probably these questions will be appearing in your exam, because most of the teachers genuinely love these questions. So try to solve, and it would be very great and nice of you if you solve questions simultaneously along with me. So sit with your notebook and pen. Come on, yaar. Okay, let's do. So we have 2 points, terminal points. Point A. The point A is 3 comma minus 4, right? And we have one more point, another point, point B. And we don't know the coordinate of point B. The coordinates of point B is x and y, that we have to calculate. But the twist is, midpoint is given to you all. So the midpoint here is the midpoint. This is the midpoint, capital M, minus 7 comma 1. My dear champions, do you know midpoint formula? Midpoint formula in coordinate geometry? Yes, we have midpoint formula. If 2 points are given to you, you can find out the midpoint using this formula. Let me show you the formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is called midpoint formula. I know you might be getting confused. Sir, how? What is x1? What is x2? What is x and y? Listen, everyone. So x1, y1 are these terminal points. x1, y1. x2, y2 are the second terminal point. And these are the x and y. Clear, everyone? X, y are the midpoints, and terminal points are called x1, y1, x2, y2. Clear? Now use the formula. Use the formula. Put the formula. Get the answer. So my dear champion, if M is the midpoint and the coordinates of midpoints are already given to you, we know the coordinates of midpoint, which is minus 7. So x is already given to you. So let's use. So minus 7 is equal to x1 will be 3 plus x2 will be x, which is unknown, divided by 2. Now, basic calculation, cross multiplication, 7 to the 14, minus 14 is equal to 3 plus x. What we are looking for? We are looking for x. So x should be alone. So let's shift this 3 this side. 3 is in positive form. When 3 will go left hand side, it will go in negative form. So minus 14 minus 3 is equal to x. So x is equal to minus 17. Wow. Now for y, do the same operation for y. We have formula, midpoint formula. So y is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to x1 minus y1 minus 4 plus y divided by 2. Do the cross multiplication. 2 1 are 2 is equal to minus 4 plus y. Minus 4 will come this side. So minus 4 plus 2 will be 6. So y is equal to 6. This is the answer. This is the answer, guys. No, this is not the answer. I know in excitement, sometime you guys leave the answer here. But this is not the correct form to write the answer, to leave your answer. Always make sure to write the final answer in words, because the question is asking find the coordinates of B. So make sure, always make sure to write the final answer in words. In words. So here, listen. So the coordinates of what? B will be what? Minus 17 comma 6. This is the answer. So always make sure to write the final answer in words. These things really make your evaluator impress. I mean, to impress the evaluator. So they'll become happy to see the final answer. When you leave answer in this form x and y, what is x and y? X and y are the coordinates. What we were looking for? We were looking for coordinates of B. So make sure to write the final answer in words. X1, yeah, very good. Clear, sir. Perfect, Lakshmi. Moving ahead to the next question. Come on. Moving ahead to the next question. This is genuinely very good question, guys. Class 9th champions, please focus here on this question. Please focus. This is a really important question. Class 9 students, I'm requesting you, please focus. Okay. And the student who is new and watching the video for the first time, who have joined the session, live class for the first time on this channel, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, go and hit the subscribe button, because this channel is really important for you all. This is exclusively designed for all class 9th and 10th students. So you don't move, you don't need to roam, you don't need to go here and there for your academic contents. This is really important channel for you all. We are not looking for coordinates. Coordinates means the values of x and y. Which coordinate is 6 and lie on y-axis? No. We are not looking about quadrant and all. We have to find out the point of B, x coordinate and y coordinate of B. Simple. Okay, Lakshmi? Clear? Okay. Look at the question. Draw the graph of the following sets of lines in each case reflect the role of A and B? So this is very good question, I would say. Basically, we have three linear equations, and linear equations means straight line. Okay, first, second, and third. We have three linear equations in the form of y and x. And the question here is, first we have to draw the graph of these three lines, and then we have to identify what is the role of A and B. So first understand where is A and where is B. So let me give you the general form. Guys, please focus here. What is the general form of straight line? So please focus here, class 9th. The general form of straight line is y is equal to ax plus b, guys. This is the general form. Now if you compare this equation from this one, so here in first equation a is 3 and b is -1. In second equation a is 3 and nothing, b is nothing, so b is 0. In third equation, let's compare both. In third equation a is 3 and b is +1. So this is the general form of straight line, linear equation in two variables. Clear? Now my dear, what is A? Basically guys, A is slope. Slope of straight line. Slope means what? Inclination. Yes my dear. A is slope. Slope means inclination. Inclination, tiltness. How much the line is tilted with x-axis. Right? So A is slope. And what is B? B is called y-intercept, where the line is intersecting with y-axis, on y-axis. So B is called y-intercept. Come on, please focus on these two terms first. A is slope and B is y-intercept. Clear? Clear everyone? Now let's move to the question now. So look at the first question, guys. The first question is y is equal to 3x minus 1. So let's plot the graph of these three lines. So to plot the graph of these three lines, we required x-axis and y-axis. So let's say this is y-axis and I have x-axis. This is x-axis, guys, and this is y-axis. This is y-axis. This is y-axis. Clear? And this is x-axis. Please focus here. My dear champion, the common part, the common thing, the common part in these three lines are slopes are same. Look, y is ax plus b, so a is 3 and a is 3. So the slopes of three equations, all three equations are same. It means that the inclination, all three lines will be parallel to each other. Why I'm calling parallel? Because the y-intercepts are different. And if y-intercepts are different, so they will be little apart from each other, but they will be parallel. Why parallel? Their slopes are same. So let me show you how to draw this line. So I'm using here blue color for this middle, y is equal to 3x. My dear, y is equal to 3x and b is nothing, so we can imagine 0. And 0 means what? Y-intercept 0. So this line will go from origin, because this line will not be intersecting anywhere on y-axis because b is equal to 0. So this line will look like this. Let's mark here 1, 2, 3. Similarly on y-axis 1, 2, 3. Similarly on y-axis downward direction -1, -2, -3, -4. Now done. Now I'm taking red color, yellow color for this. Y is equal to ax plus b. Where is b? B is 1 and b is called y-intercept. But the slope is 3 here. Slope of all the lines is equal to 3. So all the lines will be parallel to each other, but their y-intercepts are different from each other. Here y-intercept is +1. So the line will be intersecting from positive y-axis. Positive y-axis, +1. So where is y-axis? +1. This is. So I'm using yellow color, guys. So this line will go like this. It should be parallel. Let me draw it again. It should be parallel, guys. So basically blue color line is little tilted. So let me draw it again. It should be clearly visible to you all, huh? Okay. I need to erase this again. Okay, so my dear, this is what? Y is equal to 3x. Why it is passing through origin? Because y-intercept is 0. So it will not be passing from any point on y-axis. The origin will be there. Now, y is equal to 3x plus 1. Plus 1 indicates what? Positive y-intercept. Y-intercept positive. So this will be positive y-intercept. So I'm using here yellow color line for this. So the line will look like, look, parallel lines, but it is passing through positive one. Now I'm using here green color for the first one. Y is equal to here ax minus b, guys. Minus b means, and b is what? Y-intercept. So it should be passing through negative y 1, and negative y1 is here. So the line will look like this. So this is y is equal to 3x minus 1, and this is y is equal to 3x plus 1. This is the beauty of linear equation, guys. Listen, everyone. So what is the role of a and b? Listen, I'm writing here. Role of a. Role of a. A will decide slope. It decides slope. Slope means what, yaar? Inclination. Inclination. How inclined the line will be, like this or like this? How inclined the line will be? So inclination. Tilt, tiltness. How tilt is line. And role of B. Role of B. What is the role of B? Role of B will decide separation. If the line is passing through -4, the line will go like this. If the line is passing through 3, the line will be separating from each other. So role of B decide separation. Separation from each other. From each other. Right, everyone? A decides slope and B decides separation between each other. This is the beauty, everyone. I hope this is clear to you all. Yes, sir, please put yes. Hi, Dhanesh, Pradeep. Sir, can you please recap again? Guys, I have so many questions to do, so I can't. Listen, everyone. Listen, champions. Listen, everyone. See, you can draw the straight line of these equation by putting the values also. If you put here x something, y will come something. But I have drawn logically. Come on, yaar, listen. Y is equal to 3x minus 1. And what is the general form of straight line? Y is equal to ax plus b. So at the place of a, 3 is there. 3 here, 3 here, 3. And a is what? A is called slope. Slope of straight line. And b is what? B is the y-intercept, where the line will be intersecting on y-axis. Clear, everyone? Moving ahead. Moving to question number 4. This is really very easy question, but I'm pretty much sure such question will come in your half-yearly exam. Clear, everyone? So the student who have not subscribed the channel yet, go and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the like button of this live session. Come on. Do let me know who have subscribed the channel and who haven't subscribed the channel yet. Okay, look at the question. Find the values of the following polynomials at the indicated values. Okay, so we have equation given here. Look at the question, champions. We have equation given here, 5x square minus 3x plus 7, and we have to find out the value at x equals to 1. So let's say polynomial p in the form of x. So px we can write, because the polynomial is given in the form of x. So px is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7. And what should be the value at x equals to 1? So let's put here 1. So 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. So 1 square will be 1 and 5 into 1 will be 5. 3 1 ja 3 plus 7. Now according to board mass, 5 and 7 are in positive form. So 7 plus 5 will be 12. 12 minus 3 to 9 will be the correct answer. Now my dear, you can find out the second question. I have done first one and it's your duty to do second question. Homework. Sir, next chapter. First solve these questions, guys. I'm giving you final revision. I have, picked up the question from mixed, from chapter number 1 to chapter number 8. Don't worry. I have taken every question here. So this session is of mixed question, variety of question I have brought up today. Okay. And don't forget to join the free class, guys. Free. Don't forget to join AIO page. We have initiated, Vedantu has initiated one AIO page, one platform at one place. You may get all the academic solution. Assignment you want, you can get there. You want handwritten notes, you can get there. You want practice question, you can get there. So link is given in chat section. Hit on the link and you can register. You can get the access for AIO page all in one, guys. All in one. So go. This is free, of course. In the beauty part, you don't need to pay anything for this. Absolutely free. Moving ahead. Okay. Question number 5. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. This is most common question. Most common question. Every maths teachers are solving this question in their school or in institute anywhere. This is really very common question, and most probably this question will come in your half yearly exam. Sir, do you remember me? Sir, I'm Kritin. Oh yeah, of course, Kritin, I remember you. I was waiting for you, Kritin, by the way. How are you, Kritin? All okay? All good? Where were you? Okay. So now let's do this question. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Guys, listen. Everyone knows, the world knows root 5 is an irrational number. Everyone knows. But we have to prove here. See, come on here, focus what I'm saying here. My dear, everyone knows root 5 is an irrational number. But the point is how to prove mathematically, because it's all about for marks. And for marks, we have to prove root 5 is an irrational number. Because when you find out the decimal value of root 5, 2.23 and so on, this is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Right? It never ends. So my dear everyone, how to prove? So basically, root 5, to prove root 5 as an irrational number, we use contradiction method. We use contradiction method by assuming root 5 as a rational number. I know this is very childish thing. Assuming root 5 as a rational number. Sir, why? We know root 5 is irrational. So why we are assuming root 5 rational? My dear, this is the only way. So if you assume root 5 are rational number, there will be little error. Some contradiction will occur. Means your final result and your assumption will not be matching with each other. Both your final result and your assumption that you have assumed root 5 are rational number, both will be not synchronizing well. Both will be unmatched. And why this unmatched has occurred? Because we have assumed root 5 as a rational number. So this is the only way. So let's do. So which method will be used here, guys? Contradiction method. So let me write here by contradiction method. Class 9th, the student who still have doubt in this question, this is the great opportunity with you. I am going to explain this question in very simple method. Please focus, everyone. Please focus. And this question will definitely come in your exam. Yes. So let's assume solution will start from here. Solution will start from here. So let me use another color. I'm using blue color. Let assume root 5 is a rational number. Yes. Sir, what you are talking about? Root 5 is a rational number. It can't be. No, I know also. You know also. But we have to solve. So let's assume root 5 is a rational number. My dear, as you have assumed root 5 is a rational number, it means that root 5 can be written as in fraction form. Root 5 will be equal to p by q. And don't forget to mention this line, whatever I'm going to write here in bracket. Please focus. Root p and q, here p and q are co-prime pairs, co-prime numbers. This is really, really important to mention. I need space there. So let me shift this little bit. P and Q are what kind of numbers? P and Q are co-prime numbers. Co-prime pairs we can write. This is really very important. You know co-prime pairs? The numbers which have only one factor as 1. The number which can be divided by 1. If I ask you, for example, 1, 2 and 7. Give me a number which can divide both 2 and 7. There is no any number except 1. Only one can divide both. If I ask you 11 and 27, which number can divide both? Is there any common factor between 11 and 27? No, except one. Only one can divide. So such numbers are called co-prime. So here P and Q are also co-prime, and it means that highest common factor of P and Q will be only one. One can divide P and one can divide Q. Only one possibility is there. Clear, everyone? Okay. Now do the cross multiplication. If we do cross multiplication, we can write root 5Q is equal to P. Clear, everyone? Root 5Q is equal to P. Now squaring both sides. Let's square both sides. So if we square both sides, root will be removed. So the format will look like 5Q square is equal to P square, and let's call it equation number 1. My dear students, 5 is in multiplication with Q square. Now imagine if 5 is in multiplication with Q square, and if I bring this 5 to this side, it means P square will be divided by 5. Getting my point? If 5 is in multiplication with Q square, it means 5 will be divided. Will be dividing P square, because P square is right hand side. So my dear champion, it implies that here P square is divided or dividing or divisible. You can write anything. P square is divided by 5, and if P square is divided by 5, so we can write P is also divided by 5. It looks like that it is violating our assumption, because our assumption was P and Q are co-prime. But what we are getting? P is divided by 5. Oh my God. It is violating somehow our assumption. Our assumption was P can be divided by 1 and Q can be divided. Let's have patience. So P is also divided by 5. Now, if P is divided by 5, we can write this equation, this statement in equation form. P is equal to 5M. Now you might be getting confused, sir, what is this M? Listen everyone, forget everything and please focus on this line. Please focus only on this line. P is also divided by 5. If I ask you guys, what is your name? Any student name? Ayush. Ayush is there. For example, Ayush can be divided by 10. Ayush can be divided by 10. So I can write this statement as Ayush is equal to 10 into anything. 10 into, for example, Bangalore. So here 10 is multiplication with Bangalore. It means that when 10 will come this side, I can write Ayush by 10 is equal to Bangalore. So Ayush is getting divided by 10. For example, any student is there? So, okay. Pradeep is there. So for example, Pradeep can be divided by 5. So I can write Pradeep is equal to 5 into anything. You can take anything, but 5 should be multiplication with, for example, I'm writing AC. No problem. Pradeep is equal to 5 into AC. Now this equation indicates that if 5 is in multiplication with something, so 5 will be dividing AC. 5 will be dividing Pradeep. So that is here. P is also divided by 5. So we can write P is equal to 5M. With 5 you can take anything. Clear everyone? With 5 you can take anything. If you want to take grabs, bat, dog, cat, you can take anything. Okay everyone, I hope this is clear to you all 9th champions. Clear everyone? Okay, so P is equal to 5M. Now my dear champion, you have equation 1, you have equation 2. Now put equation 2 in 1. 2 in 1, 2 in 1, 2 in, put equation 2 in 1. So on putting equation 2 in 1, so at the place of P, 5M will come. So 5Q square, and P is in a square form, so 5M will also go in a square. So 5M square, 5Q square is equal to 25M square. 5 will cancel this. Oh my God, guys, class 9 champions, now look at the position of 5. Where is 5? Now 5 is at right hand side. 5 is in multiplication with M square. Now if 5 is in multiplication with M square, it implies that 5 will go left hand side and 5 will be dividing q square, because 5 is in multiplication with m square at right hand side. So 5 can divide q square, and this is clearly violating our assumption, because our assumption was p and q are co-prime numbers. So only one can divide p and q. HCF was only one. But what we have proved, p is divided by 5 and q is also divided by 5, and this is violating our, this is breaking our assumption. This is violating our assumption. Our assumption was p and q are co-prime. So let's write statement. So q square is divisible by 5. So q is also divisible by 5. Q is also divisible by 5. And what was our assumption? P and Q are co-prime numbers, so it can be divided by only one. But what we have proved, P is divided by 5 and Q is divided by 5. One more factor. So it contradict our assumption. It contradict our assumption as P and Q are what? Co-prime numbers. And why this contradiction has occurred? Why this contradiction has occurred? Because our assumption was root 5 is a rational number. And because of that assumption, this contradiction has arisen. So root 5 can't be rational number. Okay. So, or we can write hence root 5 is an irrational number. It can't be rational number. Root 5 is an irrational number. I hope class 9th ninjas, you guys have really enjoyed this solution. Clear to all? Clear to all class 9 champions? Do let me know in chat section. Honestly, you guys are really enjoying this class. Come on, yaar. Let me know in chat section. Yes, sir, I'm enjoying this session. Come on, yaar. I also need motivation from you guys, because see, please, your involvement, your interaction with me really motivates me to teach you further. I mean, with full energy, I would say. Okay. Thank you, sir. Why we need to assume root 5 rational? Listen. Who is this? Selton. I don't know your name. Listen, Selton. The question is prove that root 5 is an irrational number. This question is very bad, I would say. The world everyone knows root 5 is a rational number. Everyone knows. But we have to prove, right? So we have to prove. So to prove root 5 is an irrational number, we have to assume root 5 as a rational number, and some error has occurred. Contradiction means error. Your assumption and your conclusion both are mismatching. Your assumption and your conclusion both are not matching. And why it is not matching? It means that our assumption has become wrong. And what was our assumption? Root 5 is a rational number, so it has to be irrational. Sir, I'm very confused in world of numbers and exploring algebraic. Listen, who is this? Raja. Raja, if you are literally confused in both the chapters, go and watch my one-shot video of the world of numbers and algebraic identities. I'm telling you guys, honestly, because I have taught everything from zero, from basics. I never used to teach anything very advanced quickly. No. Whatever I used to teach initially, I used to give you guys basic concepts first. Because in mathematics, when your basics are clear, no one can beat you, even in high-level questions. So please clear the basics. So on-shot video, the video have already been uploaded on channel. Go and watch the video. Very good. Okay. Guys, everyone is listening my voice. Pradeep, I don't know what problem is with you. Come on, check it once your device. There might be some problem. Okay, moving to the next question. Okay, next question. Oh, wow. This question is again from the world of numbers. Look at the question, guys. Send me thumbs up. Send me some hearts. Come on here. Send me some hearts. Send me thumbs up if you all are enjoying the session. Okay, look at the question. Convert the following decimal numbers. Convert the following decimal numbers in the form of P by Q. Okay. Convert the following decimal numbers in the form of P by Q. So we have two decimal numbers and this bar indicates that this block 25 is repeating continuously. This bar indicates 25, the block, the group 25, 25 is repeating continuously, and here 23 is repeating continuously. So this is repeating decimal. Okay, how to convert? Listen everyone. So I'm solving first question. Let's do first question here. So the first question is 0.23 bar. What does it mean by bar? Bar indicates that this number is continuously, this block 23 block is continuously repeating in group, and so on. 0.232323232323. Now how to convert in P by Q form? Listen everyone, please focus. To convert any repeating decimal, always assume this number which is repeating as x. So this is x is equal to 0.232323 and so on. Now what should be the next target? The next target will be to shift this decimal behind the repetition, one repetition. How to shift this decimal behind the first repetition? This should be the target. Same procedure will apply in this question also. So please understand. After letting the number as x, what should be the next target? What would be the next target? Shifting of decimal behind the first block of repetition. And how we can shift? The decimal will shift behind two digits. Behind two digits. So that's why we have to multiply with 100, because we are shifting decimal by two digit place behind 23. So we have to multiply with 100. So it will become 23.2323 and so on repetition. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation 2. Let's subtract equation 1 from 2. So this is 100x, and 100x is equal to 23.2323 and so on, and x is equal to 0.2323 and so on. So when you subtract both the numbers, after decimal this is 23 repeating, and here also after decimal 23 repeating, so they will be cancelled, and 23 minus 0 will be 23, right? And 100x minus x will be 99x. Clear? So x will be equal to 23 divided by 99. This is the answer. X is equal to 23 by 9. And what was x? X was equal to 0.23 bar. Hence we have converted 0.23 bar into P by Q form. This is P by Q form. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Hi sir. Very good. Who is this? Shekhar. Very good, Shekhar. Correct answer. Very good. Okay. Now moving to second question. Look at the second question, guys. This is really interesting. Come on. So what we have to do? Let number as x. So x is equal to 3.125, which is repeating here. The block of 25 is repeating. So this is basically 25, 25, 25 and so on. This is the number here. My dear, what should be your target? Your target should be this decimal should come here behind the repetition, first block of repetition. But first we have to shift this decimal here behind 1. So we are shifting one position of decimal. So to shift the one position of decimal, we have to subtract, multiply with 10, because we are shifting decimal to the one digit place, one digit place. So 10x. So x into x, 10 will be 10x, and this decimal will go there. So this has to become 31.252525 and so on. Our target is not fulfilled yet. Our target is, again, this decimal should go behind the repetition of first block. So now we have to shift decimal here behind first repetition, first block of repetition. So we are shifting two place. We are shifting decimal behind 25. So we are shifting two place. So we have to multiply with 100. So if you multiply with 100 to this equation, it will become 1000. 100 into 10 will be 1000, and this point will go there. So this will be 312. This will be yeah, this will be 3 1, and this, it has shifted here 125.25 25 and so on. Let's call equation number 1. Let's call here equation number 2. We have, just a second guys. Yes. What should be the next point? Now we have 3 points. Very easy. We have 3 points. Equation number 1, equation number 2, and here we have equation number 3. So which equation should be subtracted by which? Tell me. Now it is little very interesting, guys. X is equal to this, 10x is equal to this, and here we have 1000x is equal to 3125. 3, the point has shifted here, 3125, this, and so on. So let's subtract this equation from y, because after decimal 252525 is there, and here also after decimal 2525. So let's call this as equation number 1. This will be equation 1 and this will be equation 2. Then only the decimal functions will be cancelled with each other. So subtract first from 2. So 100x minus 10x, this will be 990x. And when you subtract this from this, so after decimal function, here both are same, so they will be cancelling each other. And 3125 minus 31, what will be the result, guys? 3125, and this is 31, so this is 4, and we have 2, so 9, and this will be 0, this will be 0, and this is 3. Okay, 5 4 1 5 9 3 12, 2 carry 1, yeah, this 3094. So 990x is equal to 3094. So x is equal to 3094 divided by 990. You can cancel. This is an even number, this is an even number, so they can simplify. Yeah, what will be the answer, guys? 3125. How 3125, guys? No, Shekhar, you are making some mistake. 3122 I think, for second question. How, guys? Which equation you are subtracting? This equation, this format. First will be subtracting. Don't include this, because here after decimal 1 to 5, 1 is disturbing. Here in second and third after decimal, this block is repeating, and in third equation, this block, same block is repeating. So this will be cancelled with this, guys. Clear, everyone? Yes, who is this? 3125. Come on here. The student who is try to solve this question one more time. Come on, everyone. Who is this? Rajiv. Ranji. I don't know your name, buddy. You are writing 3122 divided by 9. How is it possible? Sir, sorry, sir. I forgot equation number 3. No problem, buddy. It happens, yeah. It happens. This is normal. Guys, this is very sad to see no one is giving me correct answer for this question. This will be the correct answer. 3094 divided by 990. No one is giving me correct answer. You guys have broken my heart. Sorry, sir. Shekhar Kumar Singh. Okay, Shekhar, no problem. If you are saying sorry, it is accepted. No problem. No problem. So let me write it clearly. This is the answer. 3 0. So we have shifted point 2 times. First we have shifted point here behind 1, and then we have shifted point behind the repetition of block. So repetition of block means 3125.25252525. Okay, sorry, sir, no problem. Hi, KP the Great. Wow, thank you so much, KP, for these words. Thank you, so it really means a lot for me. Thank you so much. Moving to the next question. Let's enjoy, guys. Enjoy the questions. Come on, look at the question. A rectangular pool has area. Okay, so there is a rectangular pool, and the area of rectangular pool is given to you. But the twist is, area is given in polynomial form. Area is not given in numeric form. Area is given in polynomial form. Okay, so area is equal to 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Don't worry, yeah. Your Sonu sir is here. If its width is 2x plus 1, perfect. So if the width of this rectangular pool is, how much is the width, guys? Come on here, tell me. How much is the width? Width is equal to 2x plus 1. Perfect. Again, width is also in polynomial. What would be the length? Okay. So we have to calculate here length. Okay. A square hastas. Hastas means unit, the traditional unit. Okay. Hasta was a unit used for measure length. No problem. Okay. So, how to calculate? How to find? Listen, everyone. If we are talking about rectangle, what is the area of rectangle, guys? Area. Come on, come on. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. I hope you everyone know the formula. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Yes, this is the formula for area of rectangle. I am pretty much sure. I hope you guys little strong in geometry. I hope you know the formula of rectangle, area of rectangle. Now, area is given here. So let's write 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Clear, everyone? Length is not given. Okay, okay. So keep it as it is L, and breadth is given to you. This is 2x plus 1. Very good. So what would be length? This family is in multiplication, so we can shift here this side. So L is equal to 2x square plus 7x plus 3 divided by 2x plus 1. So now this question has become like one polynomial is dividing by other polynomial, and the best part is numerator polynomial is quadratic and denominator polynomial is linear, because the exponent is 1. Here degree is 2, here degree is 1. So let's factorize this. So I'm doing here. Let's factorize 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Guys, what is 2 3 ja? 2 3 ja 6. And we can also write 6 at 6 1 ja 6. And 6 plus 1 is 7, which is the middle term. So we can apply middle term splitting method. So 7 can be written as 6 plus 1. So now 2x square 6x plus x1 ja x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now let's take common from these two. So 2x will be common. So x will be 3. Here we can take common 1. So it will remain as it is. So both the brackets are similar. We can take any one of these two and 2x plus 1 will be combined. Oh my God. The factorization of this polynomial is equal to this. So we can write length is equal to x plus 3 into 2x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. It's magic. It's magic. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. Khalas. Khalas. So we have length is equal to x plus 3. And the unit we are using here, hasta. So we can write x plus 3 hasta. This is the answer. X plus 3 hasta is the breadth. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Oh, thank you, yaar. Yeah, free batches are every time free, yaar. I'm giving you everything free. And the best part, guys, listen, everyone, the student who is watching this live, there is a link given in video description. Full syllabus free course, something is written there in the description. Go and hit the link, register for AIO. AIO means all in one page. This is the big, I would say, initiation. I mean, I would say revolutionary step for the students of class 9th and 10th. At this one page, at this one platform AIO, if you register for AIO, you get everything: handwritten notes, formula sheet, practice questions, assignment, quiz, everything. So the links are given in description in video. Don't forget to register for this AIO all in one. Okay, this question is clear, everyone? Everything is clear? So answer is x plus 3 hasta. Thank you, KP. Thank you so much. Okay, so don't forget to register for AIO. Okay, moving to the next question. Okay, so the next question is simplify the following rational expression. Why we are calling this rational? Because one polynomial is numerator and one polynomial is in denominator. So this is the rational expression. Assuming that expression in the denominator are not equal to 0, it should not be equal to 0. Otherwise, the format will become not defined. If you write 0 in denominator, so which is not definable in mathematics, so this is not equal to 0. Okay, so let's simplify. So my dear champion, this is very easy question. Look at the first numerator. Okay, so the numerator is 4y square minus 20yz plus 25z square. Do one thing, everyone please focus. If this is 4y square, if this is 4y square, can we write this as 2y square? 2y square is also equal to 4y square. 2 2 ja 4, y square, y square. Okay. Don't do anything with this. Keep this space free. Come to the third family. Third family is 25z square. So can we write this as 5z square? 5z square. Very good. 5z square, 5 square, 25, z square, z square. Now, please focus. The middle family is in negative form. A square, b square minus 2ab. It looks like that. It seems that this is the identity of a square plus b square minus 2ab. Right? So, my dear champion, a square plus b square, because it is in positive, and this here, this is minus 2ab. So the identity should be a minus b whole square. So b should be in negative form. So my dear champion, here we can write minus 2 into, this is 20. So this is 2y and this is 5z. Listen, 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, and y into z. So this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can modify this as 2y minus 5z whole square. Clear everyone? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is the identity of a minus b whole square. So we can replace this numerator from this. Clear everyone? Okay. Look at the denominator. Look at the denominator now. The denominator here is 25z square minus 4y square. Now everyone, please tell me, 25z square can be written as 5z square. 5 square 25, z square z square. And this 4y square can be written as 2y whole square. 2y whole square. 2y whole square is also equal to 4y square. Now look at the identity, a square minus b square, a square minus b square, and a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. This is the identity. So now we can replace this denominator from this. This is the beauty of this question. So let's do. So numerator can be replaced by 2y minus 5z square divided by, it can be replaced by, and better to do, see, I am teaching you guys, that's why I have operated numerator and denominator separately at the some other place. Better to do these things at the same place. It will make your answer impactful. Okay. And here we have is 5z minus 2y. I am writing this bracket first. And 5z plus 2y. Guys, listen. This is 2y minus z. And this is 5z minus 2y. This is 5z minus 2y. And this is 2y minus 5z. So do one thing. Let's take minus common from this. So, my dear champion, if we take minus common from this, it can be written as 5z minus 2y square, and here we have to change this also. So this will be, this is as it is, 5z minus 2y, and here we have 5z, here we have 5z 5z plus 2y. Clear? So it will cancel 1. So we have 5z minus 2y in numerator, and we have 5z plus 2y in denominator. This is the answer. It's magic. It's magic. Okay. Okay. No problem. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Suraj Kumar. Hi Suraj Kumar. Now moving to the next question. Interesting. This is really interesting, guys. 64u square. What we can write? 64u square. 64u square can be written as, it can be written as, listen everyone, magic. 64u square can be written as 8u square. Clear? 8 square, 64u square, u square. Okay. 121 can be written, this 121, 11v square, because 121 is the square of 11. 121 is equal to square of 11. 4w square. 4w square can be written as 2w square. But one thing is very twisting. Please focus on these last three terms. Listen everyone. Wherever u is there, here in this family u, and it is negative. Here is u, it is also negative. W is not leaving any kind of impact, because if W and V would have become negative, if W or V would have become negative, so this term should also be negative. But this is not like that. 44VW is positive, so it implies that U is making entire family negative. U is making entire family negative. And if U is making entire family negative, it means that minus 8U will come here. Minus 8U square will be again 64 square positive. But U is leaving negative impact here, negative impact here. So that's why I have come to know that U should be in negative form. Now listen, A square, B square, C square plus 2AB plus 2 into A. A is minus 8U. B is 11U, 11V. Now multiply. 8 to just 16 and 16 into 11 will be 176. 11 into 8 is 88 and 88 into 2 will be 176, and plus minus minus. Similarly, 2AB plus 2BC. B is 11V. Here, this is 2A here. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC. B is 11V and C is 2W. 2W, and all are positive, and that's why here listen, this is VW, so this is positive. And 2CA 2 into C is what, 2W, and A is minus 8U. Now multiply. 2 to the 4, 4 2 to the 4, 4 8 32, and plus minus minus, that's why minus 32V. So this is the beauty, guys. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So if we write the identity, so the identity would look like minus 8U plus 11V plus 2W whole square. This is the answer. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC. If you open this, this will come. So this is equal to, basically we have used identity of A plus B plus C whole square. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. This identity. Clear everyone? Hi everyone, who is this? Oh, who is spamming here? Hi, 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 hi. Minus 8U plus, very good, infinity. So the answer is 11U plus, hi, we can write 11U. No, 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 yeah, no 11U, no bro, 8U. Why you are writing 11U? Kavita. Hi, who is this? Who is writing this, guys? Don't do this. Okay, clear. Moving to the next question. This is really easy. I'm giving you this question as your homework, and do let me know in comment section whoever the student who can solve this question. This question is given as your homework, everyone. So solve this question honestly and let me know the correct answer in comment. Thank you, sir. Okay, moving to the next question. This is homework, guys. Question number 10. And I'll be waiting for your response in comment section for this question. Easy. Okay. The distance of a chord of a length 16 centimeter from the center of a circle is 6 centimeter. So let's do the question here. This question is from circle, and the chapter name is I am around that question. I'm up and down and round such. So I have a circle. Oh wow, guys, look at the circle. Wow, center is here. Now please read the question carefully. The distance of a chord of length 16 centimeter from the center of a circle is 6 centimeter. Okay. So basically we have a chord. Do you know chord? This is chord. For example, let's say this is AB. Suppose the chord is AB. This is the chord. And the length of the chord is 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter. Clear? Now, 16 centimeter, the distance of a chord of length 16 centimeter from the center of a circle is 6 centimeter. So this distance is equal to, and we know as per the theorem, when we draw line from center to a chord, it is always perpendicular, and bisector also. It divides the chord into two equal parts. and this is 6 centimeter. The distance of chord from the center is O, 6 centimeter. What should be the radius? Come on, yaar. If this is 90 degree, now join this point from center. So this will be the radius. So we have right angle triangle. And if we have right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras? You know, everyone? The square of hypotenuse r square is equal to perpendicular square, which is 6 square, plus base square. And what would be the base? This entire is 16 centimeter. And what would be half? The half would be 8 centimeter. And this is the theorem. The line drawn from the center to a chord bisects the chord into two equal parts. So the entire chord was 16 centimeter. So what would be half? Half would be 8 centimeter. So this is equal to 8 square. My dear champion, 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. So 36 plus 64 would be 100. On removing a square, 100 will go under root. So r is equal to 10 centimeter. This is the answer. The radius would be 10 centimeter. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? The student who is new and watching the live session for the first time, go and subscribe the channel. You guys are at the right place. If you all are aiming for 95% in your exam, if you want to make strong foundation for class 10th, this channel is basically for you all. This channel has designed for you all, champion, if you all are dreaming to come in the club of 90 plus. So go and subscribe the channel. Stay connected with me for maths especially. Okay? Hi. So the student who is watching for the first time this live session, I hope you guys have already subscribed the channel. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, come on here, go and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the like button also of this live session. I am from Kerala. Who is from Kerala? Very good, yeah. Superb. Hi, everyone. Hi, Zahra Fatima. Hi, Zahra. Thank you. Hi, Suraj. Guys, don't spam, yaar, bro. Moving to the next question. I hope this question is clear to you all. So just normal. Who is this? Okay. Moving to the next question. Guys, don't breach the decorum of the live session. Yeah, don't write such comments here in the live session. Please, yaar. Suraj, I'm requesting you guys, please. Don't don't ruin the decorum and beauty of the live session. This is academic channel. So better to don't write such things. I'm requesting you. Come on. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. But thank you. I really, your words are really means a lot for me. Thank you. Okay, look at the question. A quadrilateral MNOP is inscribed in a circle. Come on, read the question and draw the diagram. So we have a circle here. Okay, and one quadrilateral is drawn inside the circle. Inscribed means inside the circle. But the twist is, if Mn is the diameter, Mn should be diameter. So here is center and this is Mn. Mn. And what is the quadrilateral? MNOP. So O will be here somewhere and P will be here somewhere. So now the quadrilateral is ready. MNOP. So we have a quadrilateral, but Mn is the diameter. Right? Okay. If Mn is the diameter, what can you say about angle MOP? Where is MOP? MOP. MOP. This angle. Okay. This angle. And angle MNP. Where is MNP? MNP. Okay, so join this. What you can say about these two angles, MOP and MNP? Very good. So this will be this will be MNP. Guys, what you can say? What can you say about these two angles? This angle and this angle. Oh my God. Both the angles will be equal to each other. Why? Let me show you. Let me show you. This angle is here. Let me use white color. This angle here and this angle. Look at both the angles. And both the angles are in the same segment. This segment. This segment. This segment. This angle and this angle, both the angles are in the same segment. So angle A, angle MOP is equal to angle MNP, and mention the region, angle in same segment. Angle in same segment. Same segment. Yes. So angle MOP and angle MNP both will be equal to each other because of angle in same segment. Moving to the next question. Okay. So few practice questions I'm giving you guys. If the coordinates of a point are 0, -4, then it lies in where it will lie. Guys, this is y, this is x coordinate here. This is x coordinate. And how much is the x coordinate? X coordinate is 0. This is x coordinate. And this is y coordinate. So if x coordinate is 0, where the point will lie? The point will lie on y axis. Keep it in mind. If x coordinate is 0, the point will lie on y coordinate. So answer will be y axis. Clear? Because x coordinate is 0. Moving ahead to the next question. Okay. Next question here we have is sine of the abscissa. Abscissa means x-axis. The another name of x-axis is abscissa, and another name of y-axis is ordinate. In Cartesian system, abscissa means x-axis and ordinate mean y-axis. Clear? So sine of abscissa and ordinate of a point in the second quadrant. Guys, we have first quadrant and this is the second quadrant. So in second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive, and this is called abscissa, this is called ordinate. So negative positive option number C will be the correct answer. Clear everyone? Abscissa means x-axis and ordinate means y-axis. Moving to the next question. A binomial of degree 20 in the following. Where is the binomial of degree 3? So dear everyone, listen. Binomial means there should be two terms, and degree means highest power. So 20x, so highest power here is 1. This is highest power is 1. This is, yeah, this will be the answer. Because here highest power is 2. This is the answer. Highest power is 20. So that will be the degree. Moving to the next question. So I'm giving you few questions as your homework, guys. This question, this is really interesting. And this, well, last, only two questions I'm giving you homework, guys. So don't forget to try these two questions, and I'm pretty much sure you guys are going to give me the correct answer of these questions in comment section, obviously. Okay. So abscissa and ordinate is clear. Thank you so much for watching the live session. Thank you so much for joining today, and may God bless you everyone. And the student who have joined just a few moments ago, guys, please watch this video from beginning, from starting to ending. This video is really important. I'm requesting you class 9th champions, and the student who have not subscribed the channel yet, kindly subscribe the channel and catch me in my next live class. And don't forget to fill the form of MVSAT exam, India's biggest scholarship exam. You could be the next scholarship winner. 2.5 crore, 2 crore, 3 crore, MVSAT exam, Mega Vedantu scholarship admission test exam. And the beauty of this exam is, the best part, 0 rupees, guys. You don't have to pay anything for the registration. This is absolutely free, champions. So go and fill the form. The link is given in description. Hit the link, put your contact number, write your location, which center you want as your examination center. Examination, MVSAT exam is going to be held in the month of October. And we have so many options, so many dates are there. So you can pick any one date as per your comfortability, guys. Don't forget to fill the form MVSAT. Come on. The links are given in the description, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me, and thank you so much for joining today's live session, guys. And I'm pretty much sure you guys will be available in my next live class also. Who is writing? Suraj, sir, you are gold without G. So you are gold without G. I'm old, bro. I'm so young. I'm like you, bro. I'm not old. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. And all the videos, all the one-shot video have already been uploaded of class 9th. Someone is asking perimeter area. Guys, go. The video has already uploaded, one-shot video of perimeter area on channel. Hi Chavi, how are you, Chavi? Okay, bye bye everyone, take care everyone, and don't forget to